Racing. As they settle, we have Valid Zim. Very quickly at the start, moving up by Little Field Star. And on the outside comes Material Ruler, Ocean Cookie. Down on the inside, Imperial Manila. Angie Red comes next. Next on line now is Sun and Wind. While that was Pride is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Valid Zim. Field Star is down on the inside, getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Kimagure, then followed over by Imperial Manila. Ocean Cookie comes next. And at the back stretch, we have Field Star maintaining half length lead. Valid Sim in second. Angie Red, a very close third. Running alongside comes entry number 3A, and this one is Kimagure, Imperial Manila, Ocean Cookie. Next on line now is Sun and Wind, while number 4, that was Pride, is in behind them. And at the far turn, we have Valid Sim maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Angie Red in second, and here comes Kimagure, now closing in third. Imperial Manila is down in fourth, and Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Angie Red now moves up to take the lead, and on the outside comes Kimagure. We have Kimagure now moves up, driving by the rail comes Angie Red with about 100 meters of the race. We have Kimagure by about 2 lengths, followed by Angie Red, Valid Sim, and finally it's Kimagure, Angie Red, Valid Sim, Imperial Manila, Ocean Cookie.
Well, yan nakita natin na 3, 7, 2, 8, and 6.
Actually, tumersero yung kakopol
Siya,
na nanalo
tres
sa Valid
din,
Sim.
Valid
Kaya
Sim.
papasok yung 286 para sa third, fourth, and fifth.